That's funny as fuck though. Blueface funny as fuck too, I think, honestly. Yeah, my kitchen, whip it up, Benny, huh? Fuck. Ready? 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 Yeah. 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 Yeah, bitch. Yeah. I'm a cup of tea and go yard. Who the fuck's out my door? Why are you? Bro, yeah, I'm on live. You gotta come on. Bro, you can't come to my crib. Bro, you can't come to my crib. Bro, you can't come into my crib. Okay, bro, don't come into my crib. Don't come into my crib.
We're just talking, bro.
Bro, please, I don't want to talk. Please, I'm on live. Please don't.
I know, but we just want to talk.
Bro, please stop. Please, please.
Just here to help you. That's it.
Bro, you're stressing me out. Feel my heart rate.
We're literally here just to talk to you. We just want to talk.
Please sleep. I'm not your little brother, bro.
No, but you are.
No.
I'm not saying you're my little brother.
You just said my little brother wants to talk to you.
I said brother to brother.
Oh, yeah, but I'm trying to talk to nobody.
All right, well, let's just talk for a little
Bro,
bit.
what the
Just
fuck?
like
Text me. Just text me.
No,
Bro,
you're on live, so you can't.
bro, get the fuck out of here. Nikan, I'll call the police, bro.
And what?
Please. Come on, bro.
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, we just need to talk to you.
Bro, I'm having to, like, why are you doing this?
We just need to talk to you, that's it.
Bro, why y'all pulling up on me and
Because
shit?
we're here to help, bro. We
The
just want
fuck's
to help
wrong
you.
with y'all?
We want to help
What do
you.
you mean? Fuck's wrong? Like, why y'all pulling up on me? Like,
Bro,
what the
do you-
fuck?
Bro, we're literally...
And, like, you forced your way in. No respect.
Bro, everyone is worried about you.
I don't care if you're worried, bro. I'm a grown man. I'm
That doesn't
24.
matter.
Yes,
No,
it does.
It doesn't, bro.
What you're doing is not.
This is not
What am I doing?
This isn't cool.
Bro,
Yeah,
you're-
faking shit every
bro,
single day is cool.
What?
Faking
that's-
videos
that's-
every day is cool.
That's not even a part of this, bro. You're showing drugs to kids.
All right, I'm done with that. I'm sorry.
No, but you're not done with that.
Kids, I don't have kid fans. I haven't had fans in years.
You don't have kid fans?
I do not have kid
You don't
fans.
have fans that are under the age of 18.
Nordan,
Man, a couple,
let's get
bro.
the fuck off live, bro. Let's
Bro,
get the
yeah, I have to now. It's my phone.
Let's get the fuck
Fuck out of here, bro.
Second.